What's going on, everyone? Bryson here with Neil Huffman Volkswagen, and today I'm going to introduce you to the brand new 2026 Atlas SE. To start off, we still have the same engine from last year, the 2.0 4-cylinder inline, producing about 269 horsepower. You still have the ambient light bar up front with the illuminated Volkswagen logo. Now moving into the interior, you have a power seat with the automatic lumbar. You have 2 digital gauge clusters, all the similar stuff from last year, but what's new, it's standard HomeLink for all new 2026 Atlases, so you'll be able to open your garage with easy convenience. Moving into the third row, you have your bench seating, which is standard as well. Plus, you have your climate control, which is in the back. You still have your 2 USB-C chargers and your 3-prong plug-in in the mid-row for any children or people that need to charge their devices. Moving to the rear on this beautiful 2026 Atlas, you still have the illuminated light bar in the rear as well, plus the logo. SE, it is standard all-wheel drive, which is 4Motion for Volkswagen. You do have a manual liftgate with some chrome accent on the back. You have 2 exhaust tips coming with a ton of trunk space with the spare tire underneath there with your jack. Just a couple other features to end off this video. You have standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless, plus heated and ventilated seats on this brand new 2026 Atlas SE. We have all that and more on Neil Huffman on the Dixie. Come stop by, visit me. Again, my name is Bryson, and Huffman has it.